Good morning, I'm Amy Lynn. According to a new study from the National Alliance for Caregiving and AARP, the number of caregivers has risen by 9.5 million over the last 5 years. And with the current pandemic, so has the health and the finances for these caregivers, along with challenges. And here to talk more about this is Grace Whitting and Susan Reinhard. Thank you both so much for coming on this morning.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having us.
So let's start with, what is a family caregiver?
I would love to do that because many people don't even realize they're a family caregiver. We're talking about a family member or a neighbor or a friend, somebody who is giving help to someone with a chronic condition, a disability, people that need help with everyday kinds of activities and perhaps personal care and more. So that's a lot of different things. It can be like driving somebody to a doctor's office or shopping, cooking, those kinds of activities, managing finances, scheduling appointments, to bathing, dressing, feeding, helping people get around, dealing with mobility issues. And then the third area is what we call complex care or medical nursing tasks, like lots of different medications and special diets.
So how many people in the U.S. are considered caregivers?
So, Amy, we think there's 53 million Americans who are caring for someone because of a healthcare need, a disability, or a functional limitation. And out of that, the vast majority of people are caring for other adults. So 48 million people care for someone over 18. And one of the things that was interesting in our study is that in that group, we found that a number of families reported that there were also children at home who participated in care or helped to provide care.
So what are some of the challenges that these caregivers are facing now?
One, most of them are working. So about 60% of them are working on top of the 24 hours a week on average that they're giving to do all the things I talked about a moment ago, the care that they're providing. In fact, 1 of 5 of them are providing care to the tune of 40 hours or more a week, which is like another full-time unpaid job.
Now, what resources and advice do you have for these caregivers that are currently struggling?
So I have to brag on my colleagues at AARP. They have a caregiving specific webpage, so aarp.org/caregiving, and there's a ton of different kinds of resources. There's tip sheets, there's education and information about how to provide care. And I think one of the best benefits is a chance to connect with other people who are going through the same experience, other caregivers.
I absolutely agree. Ladies, thank you so much for coming on this morning. And of course, if you want to find out more, just log on to our website. It's fox4morningblend.com.